The voltage abnormality, steering power low error, is a common electrical issue affecting Toyota RAV4 models from 2019 to 2024, including hybrid and prime variants. This error indicates that the electric power steering system is not receiving sufficient voltage to operate properly. The EPS requires a consistent voltage supply of 12 volts or higher. When voltage drops below 11.5 volts, the system triggers this warning message. When this error occurs, the system automatically reduces power steering assistance to prevent damage to electrical components. There are 4 primary causes of this issue, each with different frequencies of occurrence. The most common cause, accounting for 45% of cases, is 12-volt battery degradation. This is especially prevalent in hybrid models due to unique charging cycles. The second most common cause, at 30% of cases, is DC-DC converter failure. This component is only found in hybrid models and converts high-voltage battery power to 12 volts. Alternator issues account for 15% of cases, but only affect non-hybrid models. The alternator generates electrical power while the engine runs. Finally, wiring and connection problems account for 10% of cases. These include corroded battery terminals, loose ground connections, and damaged harness connectors. Understanding these causes helps technicians diagnose the issue more effectively. The next section will cover specific troubleshooting steps and solutions for each of these problems. To properly diagnose and fix the voltage abnormality error, we need to follow a systematic troubleshooting approach with specific testing procedures and proven solutions. First, perform voltage testing. Check key-on voltage, which should be at least 12.4 volts, and engine running voltage should be 13.8 to 14.4 volts for non-hybrid models, or 14.0 to 14.8 volts for hybrid models. Next, use Toyota TechStream diagnostic software to scan for specific diagnostic trouble codes, including C1513, C5015, and C5021, while monitoring real-time voltage data during operation. There are 3 main solutions. Battery replacement with an OEM AGM battery costs $200 to $400, including labor. DC-DC converter replacement for hybrid models costs $800 to $1,500. Software updates for power management calibration are often available at no cost. For prevention, test your battery every 6 months after 3 years of use. Perform annual inspection of battery terminals and ground connections for corrosion. Always check for software updates and technical service bulletins from Toyota. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps and implementing proper solutions will resolve the voltage abnormality error and prevent future occurrences. Regular maintenance is key to avoiding costly repairs.